This is Rabri Faluda, a traditional spiced noodle ice cream dish that is found in the alleys of Old Delhi. Welcome to our Old Delhi series, where we check out the most famous street food that Chandni Chowk and Old Delhi have to offer. Today we'll be heading to the legendary establishment Giani's Hatti for that ice-cold Rabri Faluda.
So today we are in Chandni Chowk, Old Delhi's oldest and greatest marketplace. And today we're going for a full-on street food tour. We're going to be hitting up all kinds of street food stalls, seeing what the locals like to eat. And I'm with my friend Vasu, who's going to be helping me find the perfect street food here in Old Delhi. All right.
Okay, let's see.
All right, man, let's do it. So we're here at Giani's Hatti for some Rabri Faluda. Now this is like a...
Actually, it's Giani's.
Giani's. Oh, okay. Most famous. Tapped on the back, it is the most famous. So this is some sort of like ice cream dish, right?
Yep, it's a kind of cold dessert.
Cold dessert.
Yep, and noodles of arrowroot.
Arrowroot?
Arrowroot noodles with some hot milk preparation,
Right.
and then cold it down with some sugar syrup, flavored sugar syrup.
So it's arrowroot starch that makes the noodles.
Yep.
The Faluda noodles.
Faluda
and then
noodles.
they're mixed with like a sort of ice cream and ice, right?
Yep.
And they're put in a glass
With flavored sugar syrup.
with flavored sugar syrup. Which kind of flavor, do you know?
Cardamom, saffron.
Ah, nice. So we got some nice
You can
spices
get
up
it
in
on
there.
your palate.
Yeah. All right. So let's check it out.
Let's check out where this Rabri Faluda is being made. Back in the kitchen, a man is constantly filling glasses with Faluda noodles and a condensed milk mixture on top. That condensed milk mixture, or Rabri, is also packed with floral spices and jaggery to give it an explosion of flavor. Nuts, raisins, and ice will also be added, and the entire glass will get mixed up just before serving. The chef also prepares glasses with their initial serving of Faluda noodles. The beautiful display of Rabri Faluda glasses lined up is making my stomach hungry for this cold dessert. Let's order up a glass.
Hey, Rabri Faluda.
You know Hindi also? Little bit or full?
Medium. Janta hai. So you have change? Ek Rabri Faluda bhai. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm already sweating this early into the food tour, so I'm excited for this nice ice cream dessert, this cold beverage. Look at that. So it actually, it looks like it has some mixed fruit in there. Oh yeah, there's some pistachios in there, some nuts.
Almonds.
Yeah, some mixed nuts, pistachios, almonds. Are there dried fruits as well?
Dry fruits as well.
Dry fruits like raisins, stuff like that. Wow, I can't say I've ever had anything like this noodle ice cream. All right, I'm gonna take a bite. Oh wow,
You can feel the flavors on your palate.
yeah, like cardamom,
Cardamom, saffron.
saffron. Yeah, it's super sweet. That is extremely sweet, wow. Nice crunchy nuts as well. And then the Faluda has the texture of a rice noodle, so it kind of dissolves in your mouth, you know? Nice crunchy nuts, crunchy dried fruits, the soft noodles, and then the cold crunchy ice as well. Really like a texture explosion. The flavor of the ice cream is totally like saffron, cardamom, like those nice floral spices. It's kind of like a noodle chai, a strange concoction of spice, milk, ice cream, sugar, and noodle. Man, I can't say I've ever had anything like this before. This costs 80 rupees, which is just over $1 US. That is a massive glass of cold dessert. So I'd say it's a pretty good value.
Coming up next, old famous jalebi and Delhi chaat.
So right behind us is the Natraj Dahi Bala corner.
Stay tuned for the rest of our series on Old Delhi classics. And subscribe to Source and Flow for more epic street food content from around the globe.